trying the Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation. So today guys, mag-unbox tayo ng one of my most favorite foundations. Alright, so let's see. Ayan. Tada! This is Dior Forever Skin Glow 24-hour Radiant Foundation, Perfection and Hydration, Concentrated in Skincare. Wow! So today guys, we're going to try two shades of the Dior Forever Skin Glow 24-hour Radiant Foundation, Perfection and Hydration, Concentrated in Skincare. Wow! So the plan today is I'm going to put the one end in the central part of my face, two end in the lateral areas of my face to like achieve a certain degree of contouring, I guess. I will be using a palette. Yung darker shade ilalagay ko dito sa ilalim. So ganyan siya. Konti lang. I just get a small amount and then just spread that. Parang marami na nga yun eh. So I'm just gonna mark probably there. Just gonna mark probably there, I guess. Para kunwari, plakado ang ating face. Parang marami na nga to guys eh. So nakikita niyo ba guys? So, timing lang po tayo maglagay. Huwag po siya masyadong madami. Kasi, pag masyadong madami, ma-obvious na po na may nilagay tayo. But if you are going for that look, wala pong problema. Susuportahan po natin ang ating mga kagustuhan sa buhay. Okay? So, I don't really see where this actually begins and ends. But, bahala na si Batman. So, we go do the other side. Just go and do some line over here. And perhaps like do some line over there, I guess. Then just spread that pababa. So I think medyo marami na nga po ito. Yeah, I think that's a lot already. Okay. Okay, I think we were able to successfully see. I like this foundation guys kasi it's so easy to spread. It's so easy to spread and it's so liquidy. I love it. Now we're going to go for the central parts of our face. So that's going to be one end. Lalagay natin siya dito sa taas. Ganyan lang kadami guys. Like that. Very konti lang ang ilalagay natin. So ganyan lang ako maglagay guys. Sobrang konti lang ako maglagay. Actually ang dami nga dito eh. O diba? Ang dami niya na. So, just a little foundation on this area, I guess. Just a little more, I guess. Diba? Just enough to cover, you know, mga blemishes or whatever. So, syempre, huwag natin iiwan ang ating nasolabial folds. Kasi ayaw natin ang ating nasolabial foldifications. Then, I'm gonna do this. For the other side, super konti lang din. Super konti lang din. Oh, I think that's a lot. Okay. Oh, diba? Just a very demure application of our foundation, I guess. Just a couple of more here. Okay, to get some more coverage. So if you're going for a more long-lasting foundation or coverage guys, I guess kailangan damihan natin. So dito guys, kung anong natira sa brush, yung ilalagay ko here para hindi masyadong obvious. So yun guys, if you are looking for more coverage, I guess you really have to put more. Kasi itong sa akin, I don't put a lot. So I'm very careful with my nose because the nose area, super daming ano dyan, possibility na mag flaky siya. Kasi lalo na ako, I use the Acne Regulate Spray to prep my skin para lang maganda yung platform or yung canvas ng ating skin when we apply the wake-ups, I guess. So yun, this area, medyo kinakapalan ko yung nose area guys. Kasi syempre, the nose is kind of oily and it usually doesn't hold as much foundation as your other skin. So ayan guys, this is actually the finish without the powder. What I really like about the Dior Forever Skin Glow Foundation, it has this very soft and very cutesy and very delicate finish to it. And depending on the thickness na ilalagay mo na foundation, meron din siyang pore blurring effect. Imagine nyo lang guys, kung hindi ako nagsiskincare, kung hindi ako nagmi-mission skin. Pag walang mission skin, grabe talaga yung mga pores natin guys. Ibang klase talaga yung pores ko, may sarili silang zip code. So, ganun sila kalaki. So, for the powder, I'm gonna use the Dior Forever Natural Velvet. Okay, no transfer, long wear, compact foundation, concentrated in floral skincare. This is 2N. Put the 2N here in the lateral side. So the darker sides will give us like a more definition, I guess. So this is how I do it. So konti lang, just like that. And then just like this. Alright, so very cutesy. Konti lang na foundation. Di masyado marami. Diba? Done. Okay, you're done. Kabila, same. Okay. Yan. So I don't know, some individuals would like to do like a thicker brush, but I like to do it this way kasi I feel like I gain more control, and I know there will be some skip areas. So may areas talaga na may, so, do you see that guys? It's darker right here. So parang very subtle siya. Sa middle also we will put, so I like this powder kasi nakaka-help din talaga siya mag-blur ng pores guys, but at the same time, the particles are so fine. It doesn't give you that like thick looking finish. And then of course guys, sa dulo, ang wisp lang ng ganun. Okay, then we're going to do here. Diba? Very, very cutesy. Very simple. Then punta tayo dito. So cutesy, so pure. Para hindi masyadong makapal guys. Okay. Ganyan lang tayo guys, diba? Very simple lang. Okay, dito sa side. Very important. Kung ano yung natira guys, yung nilalagay ko dito sa side tayo, sa area na to. Para hindi masyadong makapal. So ayan guys, I guess we're done. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So ito na siya guys. So this is how it looks like. So I hope you enjoyed guys. For more acne tips, follow me. And basta acne, DMD. Bye!